Soapy water thin as the moon. Blow some air, watch it grow, a shimmering sphere, ready to go. Soap helps water stretch out wide, trapping air so it stays inside. Round and floating, light and free, a bubble's a sphere, can't you see? Regular water won't do the trick. Without some soap, it pops too quick. Soap makes water's grip less tight, so bubbles can take off in flight. Soap helps water stretch out wide, trapping air so it stays inside. Round and floating, light and free, a bubble's a sphere, can't you see? Regular water won't do the trick. Without some soap, it pops too quick. Soap makes water's grip less tight, so bubbles can take off in flight. Soap helps water stretch out wide, trapping air so it stays inside. Round and floating, light and free, a bubble's a sphere, can't you see? Think of a sandwich, fun and neat, with soap on the outside, air in the seat. A tiny dome, then up it flies, dancing high in the bright blue skies. Why are bubbles always round? Because that shape takes less to surround. A sphere's the best for holding air, that's why bubbles float everywhere. Soap helps water stretch out wide, trapping air so it stays inside. Round and floating, light and free, a bubble's a sphere, can't you see? But bubbles don't last, they pop, oh no. Back to the air, away they go.